Good morning students. In continuation of the previous video, today we will discuss the exercises of Who Am I? Now see, first answer the following questions. In this story you have read about many voices, about many children. They have different taste. Now first question is, Peter's favorite day of the week is Sunday because on this day everyone in the family is in a good mood. They all feel themselves lucky for being such a happy family. On this day everyone in the family is in a good mood. They all feel themselves lucky for being such a happy family. Nasir wants to learn how to preserve seeds so that they can be used again. How to preserve seeds so that they can be used again. Dolma believes that she can make a good prime minister. She can make a good prime minister. She can make a good prime minister. Good prime minister because her classmates come to her when there is a problem. Her teachers trust her when something is to be done in school. Now next exercise is write true or false against each of the following statement. Peter is an only child. False. When Sarabjit gets angry, he shouts at people. False. Nasir lives in the city. False. Radha's mother enjoys doing things with her. True. So students, you can do this exercise in your notebook. Now part second, multiple intelligences. Each one of us is skilled or good at something, but do you know that different people are intelligent in different ways? You can read from here. Being good in your studies. Now take this exercise, working with the text, fill in the blanks to name the different kinds of intelligence. One has been done for you. First is, when I enjoy listening to people, solving their problems, I use my interpersonal intelligence. Next is, when I enjoy dancing or physical activity, I use my intelligence. Which intelligence? Bodily, related to body. When I enjoy looking at maps and examining pictures, I use my visual intelligence. When I enjoy working with numbers and solving maths problems, I use my mathematical intelligence. When I enjoy telling a story or arguing, I use my verbal intelligence. Working with language, match the job on the left with its description on the right. First, navigator finds the monitors the route to get a place or the direction of travel. Second is architect. Architect plans the designs of a building, town or city. Third is politician. Third, B would be works in politics, usually by standing for election. Next is engineer. Engineer designs and builds things like roads, bridges or engines. Fourth is Fifth is computer programmer. J. Designs the system by which a computer runs or given information. Next is athlete. Athlete works in sports or activities such as running, jumping, etc. Next is disc jockey. Disc jockey is F. Controls and push together a program of music. Composer. Eighth, I makes up notes to create music. Next is counselor. Counselor A advises people what to do about jobs, personal problems. Next is journalist. Journalist is D, reports on recent news for newspaper, radio or TV. So students, you are able to understand these exercises, so you have to do these exercises in your notebook. Thank you students.